Are you interested in the glorious fiddly world of scale model figure painting? Picture this. You hunched over a 1 to 16th scale figure of a soldier looking weary, wielding a brush thinner than a gnat's whisker, bringing history to life with a flick of paint. It's not just a hobby, it's a battle against shaky hands and dodgy eyesight, and it's utterly addictive. Now, if this is your kind of fun, then 3D Gizmo has launched a monthly subscription that might take your fancy. And Dave and Kirsty have sent me a sample of their subscription service. And this is the box. So you've got their emblem on the side. It just says 3D Gizmo, make it real. And if you've been to plenty of model shows, they are there selling their wares. Now, as you open up the box, you're going to be getting their poster, which is a really nice leaflet here. Own history one figure at a time for £16.99 a month. And every month, subscribers receive a detailed 1 to 16th scale resin figure, unpainted, worth at least £21. Chosen from popular model themes. So you've clearly got there, you've got USA, you've got the UK, and you've got German World War II figures. And then if you stay subscribed for 6 months, and you will unlock your premium membership card, and you can use it at any model show they attend, and you'll get an extra 10% off all purchases from their stand. Very nice indeed. So we will look. This is the letter you will get. Dear subscriber, thank you for joining the 3D Gizmo community. We are thrilled to have you on board. And as it says here, as part of your subscription, you'll receive a figure of at least 21 quid. And they have got exceptional quality variety with every delivery. We are passionate about creating unique collectible pieces that spark imagination and elevate your display. So there you are. There's there's a welcome letter there. Inside you get the Haribo Super Mix. Are these vegetarian? I'm just joking. Who cares? And then you will get a box, and inside the box there's nothing else in there. A very well packaged box. 3D Gizmo, make it real. And then, oh, it's sealed. So I need a knife. Where am I doing my knife? Just a moment. Right, here's the knife. We'll just slip that through. I love, actually, just going to just show you that. Look, it's a holographic sticker. That is very nice. Authentic, genuine, and original. Brilliant. So just slip that through there. And then we will open up this box. And you get thank you for your support. There's all the information there. I will leave a link in the description box below where you can go on their website. And inside, using paper, not bubble wrap, you will get this. So quality checked with a label. So this one was done the 5th of September. A sticker saying thank you, or is that sticker there of their logo? A thank you again. Little card and lovely jubbly. I'll put that to one side. Another sticker there. And you get this here, which is, I believe, a 3D, not 3D, what's it called? A laser etched card. I think that's metal, and I presume that is the figure that you will be painted with the dog. So lovely. There's the barcode there. If I bring that up close and zoom in. So if you want to scan that code now, there's a QR code there to scan, saying limited edition. But that is very nice. Very, very nice indeed. Lovely. So I'll put that to one side as well. And then we'll refocus the camera. And I shall put that back in the sleeve so we don't ruin it. And then we have a pen on this one. So you get a 3D Gizmo pen, which has been laser etched as well. That's nice. And oh, you get keyring, 3D keyring. Oh, they've really looked after me on this one. And there is a stand. So you've got a stand there, which I presume you've put your card in. That's cool. A 3D printed base for your figure. And then you get a figure. Oh, what's this here? Oh, that's nice. Handmade. Whoops. Sorry, it's out of focus. Handmade. And I think that's everything in the box. Lovely. That's cool. Now, let's have a look at this figure. Right. A little bit of tape or something holding that in. And then we bring out this figure here. And then we also get a little dog as well. So basically, you are whoops, careful now, I don't want to break it because I know 3D resin is a little bit oh, look at that. That is absolutely lovely. So let's bring it through, let's get it focused in so we can see. You have this figure here. It will need a little bit of a rub down, obviously, because this is where all the, well, I can't think what they call it. Are they the gates or the supports? So when they print this, let's get up close. You can see the detail there of his face. Let's try and focus that in. That's absolutely lovely, that is. Look at that. Nice ripples in the fabric there. He's holding a mug of coffee, rather full actually, and he's got a doggy biscuit in his hand. Look at that, it's extremely nice. Very nice. I'm just going to bring the camera down actually. We're going to focus in and bring the camera down to this. I think that'll be better. Excellent, excellent. And then you also have the little pup as well. Lovely. Oh, look at that. It has some amazing detail. I think there's better detail on the dog. But yeah, look at that. Absolutely fantastic. And I'm assuming that you would attach this to this base with a bit of glue, and then you would put the figure on top as well. Very nice. Whoops, let me just try, whoops, get that to that position there. Let's get the camera there. Whoops, come on, focus. Perfect. Wow. Very nice indeed. I think that's going to need a little, is there a little place where the feet? I think it's just glue it in and balance it in basically. And there's that. And then you would obviously, once you painted it, you would put the card, turn them around and put the card next to it. So once you painted it all, you've got like a lovely display here. That is very nice indeed. I do like that. Very, very well presented. And they've changed the figure every month. I do like that. I really do. And I'm not a figure painter, believe it or not. You know, I do have friends who are extremely well versed in enamels and, you know, weathering and washing and building up the layers to a figure. But I think that's exceptional. I think that is a really, really lovely idea. And there's 1/16 scale. So what's the length of that? Let's just have a little look. So I'll get the old measurement out, and so yeah, just under 5 inches, I reckon, just under 5 inches. Brilliant, I must say. So this is the contents of the box, and right, we need to go have a little look at the website. Right then, let's go on to the website and have a look at what you need to see. So basically, you go onto the website, and there it is, top left. Subscribe and own your own history. So we will scroll down and click subscribe, and then you click select. And here is where you sign up, and it's $16.99, and that's everything in the box, including the postage. So just rounding this up, every single month they will send you one of these beauties, a highly detailed 1/16 scale resin figure, unpainted, ready for you to splash some colour on it and to make it the star of your collection. Each one is worth around £21 of retail value. handpicked from 3 of their most popular themes. It's the World War II German, USA or UK soldiers, and they've got it all. And it's like Christmas, but monthly, and without the dodgy socks from your gran. These are carefully curated, passion-filled projects. And they are full of imagination sparkling collectibles designed to make your mates jealous and your display cabinet groan under the weight of awesome. So whether you're a grizzled hobbyist with paint under your fingernails or some plucky newcomer who doesn't know a brush from a bulldozer, these figures are fun, creative, and dare I say, a little bit epic. And also, like they were saying, if you stick with them for 6 months, you will get a premium subscriber card that will give you 10% off their products if you see them at model shows. So there's a bargain in that as well. All you've got to do is flash that card and you'll get your 10%. So, what are your thoughts on this? Will you please feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know if this is the kind of thing you'll be interested in. All links to the website will be down in the description, and I'll also put a pinned comment so you can go over to the 3D Gizmo website. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed yet but are enjoying the content on this channel, please click subscribe. It's free. And if you ring that bell, click all, you'll be notified when I release a new video. Huge shout out goes to my channel members who help me financially every single month. If you'd like to become part of that membership, please click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. We do have a weekly Tuesday night hangout where we work on our benches and talk about scale modelling. In one of the 4 corners will be a video or a playlist of other content on my channel I suggest you watch, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great, wonderful rest of your week.